Hello beautiful people, thank you for tuning up my channel. The food that I'm gonna cook, Arabic or Middle Eastern food, is very famous. It's called shawarma. But I'm not gonna cook exactly like a shawarma, but it's kind of 50-50. Instead of pita bread, I'm gonna use flour tortilla bread. Let's start it. So here is the whole lamb leg. Lamb leg usually come with a lot of fat. This fat will be melt while I'm cooking, so that will be perfectly okay. While my fire is going on, I'm going to marinate that with spices: coriander, black pepper, red chili, paprika, garlic powder, sesame seed, nutmeg, cinnamon, sea salt, and cumin. Here you go. The black pepper. Good. I'm going to score it a little bit, and so it will be easy to cook. You don't have to put any oil or anything on it. Marinate that for a while, 45 minutes to 1 hour. Nutmeg. Without a nutmeg, you don't want to cook lamb. Nutmeg actually give a great flavor. And then put some cinnamon. You know, the smell of lamb is so strong, that's gonna give you a very good flavor, you know. Mineral water to make sure this spices soak in there. Salt. Beautiful, nice looking lamb leg. That's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna make the sauce first. Non-fat Greek yogurt, plain yogurt, no flavor at all. Chopped garlic. I'm going to put this spices that I mixed it up for the lamb. I put a little bit on it. Now paprika, pinch of salt, lemon juice, parsley. I have some English cucumber. I never see big cucumber like that. Cucumber that I chopped it, I'm going to put it in a paper towel here like this. I don't want my sauce is kind of watery. I'm going to be squeezing. Now it's more drier. Now this goes to the yogurt. I'm going to put some tahini sauce, 100% virgin olive oil. Remember, I do not use fake olive oil. It has to be 100% cold press. You can smell this is so pure. About 2 tablespoons. A little bit more parsley. Okay, a little bit more black pepper, some sumac. Sumac is it's a little soury, salty. It tastes good. Let me taste the sauce, see if it is good. I'm gonna make the toppings right now. Some parsley, onions, garlic, cucumber, some pickle, a little bit for soury taste, and tomato. This pickle. Okay. Onions, parsley, garlic, some lemon juice, pinch of salt, and 100% olive oil, a little little drizzling on it. Tastes good. It will be so delicious with this lamb meat, you know. I'm just waiting and make sure I get successful on that. I already marinated, as you know. It's almost more than an hour. What I'm doing right now, I'm going to cook this under the aluminum foil for at least 30 to 40 minutes. And that way the juice retain inside. Now I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up and I'm going to throw in the pits. As you see that I wrap the lamb, I first put a wax paper and then I put aluminum. A lot of people say that shiny side should be in and dull side would be out. But you know what? Truly, it's not really big difference. It depends if you're cooking in a charcoal or if you're cooking in a conventional oven. But conventional oven basically recommend shiny side is in the food that you're going to wrap and the dull side should be out. Here, it doesn't matter because I put already wax paper inside. So it's probably going to be 1 degree up and down. So let's go ahead and throw in the pit. So here you go. Alright. Heat is coming up perfectly okay. And I can move that chain up and down. When I need more heat, I can go down. And if it's too much flame coming up, I can move it up. But in this moment, it's perfect. I'm not worried about the lamb leg gonna be burned because it has wrapped with already aluminum and wax paper inside. Jamaica tea. Jamaica tea is basically a viscous, little soury. It's like almost like you're drinking a juice of tamarindo. You know, I checked it in the Google and I see it is very good, good for your health. And I start drinking this almost 2-3 months now. I lose a little bit of weight. Obviously, you just cannot lose just weight because drinking this. That's not true. You have to do also a little exercise and a little diet. Hopefully it's cooked almost 60% probably inside. I'm going to open it now, so let's see. The lamb cooking in a barbecue is supposed to be 145, but I think 145 for me is not good. I'll go about 150. It's thermometer and see how much it is, okay? I was thinking that it's gonna be done quickly, but I have to give it attention. I can't cook it directly on the fire. That could be burn the whole meat. Turning it every 20-30 minutes, and I still put my thermometer inside to make sure that 145 reach, I'll be remove it, because after 145 Fahrenheit, meat is still hot inside and it's still cooking. I think the lamb is done. Now keep in mind, lamb leg could take a long time to cook. I was not expected that much time, but you also don't want to undercook. You want to make sure that meat is cooked properly. I was expected it's going to be cooking in 2 hours, but no, it's take about 3 hours. Lamb meat inside, it have to be 145. I like 150. So I checked right now, the thermometer is about 150, which is good. Lamb is cooked. I want the lamb a little bit pink inside. Now lamb is resting 15-20 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes, and that's why you don't want to cut anything roast or barbecue right away. If you see, it's a little burning, but those are the fat that has burned, but the meat has not burned, okay? So don't get confused. Okay, let's cut it. Let's see how it is. Oh, this is very beautiful. Perfect. Pink. And I don't want the fat, so I'm going to take the fat out. Now let's go ahead and make some shawarma or burrito, whatever you call it, doesn't matter. It's a food, it's a great flavor. Let's do it. All right, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take some sauce. Meat. Oh, look at these big pieces. Oh, nice. It's so soft. Look at that. This burrito. Now I'm going to toast this burrito in the fire, and then I'm going to eat that. All day long, it's take me, oh my God, I can't believe it. Lamb is cooking a long time. But the result, this. Now I'm going to bite it. Oh, it's hot, it's warm. Oh, nice. So let's enjoy it. The meat is so tender. And this salad, the yogurt sauce, this go combination with this, fantastic. Now, if you give it to any Mexican people eat that, they're gonna say it's a burrito. But its similarity has also Middle Eastern flavor on it, okay? So, thank you. I would appreciate if you subscribe if you like my video. Click the thumbs up. Don't forget to click that bell icon so when my new video comes, you will be the first to notify.